Check it out, guys. I have another truck in the shop. This time it's a Chevy Colorado. The ZR2 package or whatever. Pretty cool. I'm actually really excited about the amount of truck work that I've gotten lately. There was that GMC Sierra, I had that Toyota Tacoma, that Ford F-150, and now a Chevy. Like, it's kind of like I'm on a little truck stop. That's cool. So this headlight mod, basically what we did was we gutted out the internals and we did a projector swap. The client had told me that he had really bad headlight output, and sure enough, I drove around with it to see. I will overlay the pictures on the video right now so you can see how terrible it was. I'm not gonna lie, like it was sketchy. Like, I cannot believe that Chevy put out a truck where you just literally couldn't see at night. So this is the 4TLR projector swap. I did the Morimoto 50 watt D2S HID kit in it, and also added a profile pivot switchback halo, the 80 mil right up on front. So that's real cool. Running light white, switchback amber. Everything pretty much operates as you would expect. It is purely a performance oriented build with a little bit of flash on it. It's really cool. Again, I'm just honored that, you know, my name is kind of catching on, and the quality of work that I provide is something to be desired, and people can appreciate my passion for what I do, because this dude traveled quite a bit for me, and so I like it. All right, cool. Let me show you some action here, okay? So what we've got here are the running lights, and you can see he's already got that bow tie lit up, which is a cool little aftermarket effect, but these are just halos. Super bright, wonderfully clear, nice pure white look to them, so that's real cool looking. I just turned on the low beams, the headlights now. Again, the 4TLR projector swap with 50 watt HID Morimoto ballasts, and it is pretty awesome. They're bright. The color is 5800, so it's the pure white. And again, I know it's not the best way to demonstrate, but the beam pattern is beautiful, cutoff is gorgeous, and I'll show you an overlay as well of the same drive that I took last night with the thing. Okay, and now the switchback functionality. I got it on hazards right now, but obviously it'll be the same with turn signal, just with one side. So the halos blink amber along with the factory turn signal bulb. We did not do an LED swap on that. It's just straight up. Again, really simple, real basic, but nice little performance increase and nice aesthetics as well. That's pretty much it for this truck. Super fun, I liked it. And oh yeah, you know, if anybody is working on this truck as well and you want to remove that front bumper, which should happen if you're going to be running all the wiring, it's basically just 5 million Torx bits, as well as 4 really well hidden screws, like right there, there, and there. This took me like a good 10 minutes to find, so that was cool. It was fun, but honestly, I thought this was one of the better constructed, better designed as far as like ease of disassembly as far as those last few trucks I've been doing. So I liked it. You know, and I'm not really partial to any particular brand of truck, but this was fun. It was pleasant. I liked it. All right, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourself a wonderful day. Talk to you later. See ya.